Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients: a can of diced or crushed tomatoes, some vegetable or chicken broth, and your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar. Make sure you have a microwave-safe bowl large enough for your soup. This method is perfect for a quick, comforting meal. Now, pour your canned tomatoes and broth into your microwave-safe bowl. Add your chosen seasonings. Give everything a good stir to combine all the flavors evenly. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat it on high for about 2 to 3 minutes. This initial heating helps to warm the base of your soup.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. And speaking of staying refreshed, just like a warm bowl of soup, staying hydrated is key. Check out the amazing Oala water bottle. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
After the first heating, carefully remove the hot bowl. If you prefer a smooth soup, use an immersion blender directly in the bowl until it reaches your desired consistency. Be cautious, as the soup will be hot. Return the blended soup to the microwave and heat it for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring it's piping hot. Once your soup is hot, you can stir in a splash of cream or milk for a richer, creamier texture. Now for the best part: garnishing. Add some fresh basil, a sprinkle of shredded cheese, or a few crunchy croutons. Your delicious homemade microwave tomato soup is ready to enjoy. It pairs perfectly with a grilled cheese sandwich.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.